Afternoon. Today's topic of presentation is thesis submission. There are certain regulations kept by KUHAS for dissertation. Every candidate pursuing MDS degree course is required to carry out work research project under the guidance of a recognized postgraduate teacher. The results of such a work shall be submitted in the form of a dissertation. The dissertation is aimed to train a postgraduate student in different techniques. It includes identification of a problem, formulation of a hypothesis, search and review of literature, getting acquainted with recent advances, designing of a research study, collection of data, critical analysis, and comparison of results and drawing conclusions. Every candidate shall submit to the university in the prescribed format a synopsis containing particulars of the proposed dissertation work after obtaining ethical clearance from the institutional ethical committee within 6 months from the date of commencement of the course or before the dates notified by the university. The synopsis shall be sent only through the principal of the institution. Such synopsis will be reviewed and the dissertation topic will be registered by the university. No change in the dissertation topic or guide shall be made without prior approval of the university. The dissertation should not be just a repetition of previously undertaken study, but it should try to explore some new aspects. You should always check for plagiarism before you submit your dissertation. The dissertation should be under the following headings. That is introduction, aims and objectives of the study, review of literature, methodology, results, discussion, conclusion, summary, references, and annexures. The written text of dissertation shall be not less than 50 pages or exceed 150 pages, excluding references, tables, questionnaires, and other annexures. It should be neatly typed, font size 13 times New Roman or font size 13 Cambria in 1.5 line spacing on one side of the paper, A4 size, that is 8.27 inch into 11.69, and bound properly. Spiral binding should be avoided. You should always take a check for plagiarism before you submit the dissertation. Take a printout after checking the plagiarism. There are different paid, but better to use a paid version of the plagiarism checks. Grammarly is one example for plagiarism checker. For uniformity, it was suggested that the color of the hardbind of the dissertation for all branches of MDS course by KUHAS shall be dark brown with letters of gold color. The title, author, and year of study should be imprinted or embossed on the spine of the book. This is a picture showing how it should be. 3 hard copies and 1 properly labeled soft copy in a CD shall be submitted to KUHAS on the 29th month of the course, 31st October of the 3rd academic year, whichever falls first. This is a picture of the CD, how it should be. Post evaluation. It can be after you sending, it can be accepted with modifications or rejected and reasons for rejection by the examiner. If rejected by the reviewing committee, the candidate should take up a new topic and undergo all the procedures of submitting the synopsis, fees, ethical committee clearance, etc. as prescribed by the university. The candidate who take up the new topic can appear only for the subsequent examination. Approval of work, dissertation work is essential precondition for a candidate to appear in the Part 2 examination. All tickets should be issued to the candidate only if the dissertation has been accepted. The candidate whose dissertation has been accepted by the examiners and approved by the university, who is declared to have failed in the final examination, will be permitted to reappear in the subsequent MDS examination without having to prepare a new dissertation. In the event of a registered guide leaving the college for any reason or in the event of death of the guide may be changed with prior permission from the university. Thank you. These are the protocols for submitting your thesis. Thank you. The front side.